What's up, guys? It's Monday, May 10th, and today I'm going to post the final step of the project. It doesn't mean you're going to do it today, but it means we're going to have everything laid out, and over the next few weeks we'll move through those steps. So you had a first draft, which was to get your thing ready, get all the basics in there, and today I'm going to go through, hopefully finish grading all those, give people comments and say you're ready for the next step, or you need to add X, Y, and Z. The next step is to give it to a user and have them test it out. Not somebody in this class, because the point is you don't want to give it to somebody who has made one of these and who knows what it's like and who sort of knows how it works. You want to give it to somebody who's just treating it like, here's a product that I expect to, relatively well explain itself and act intuitively and so on. So if you give it to a friend, a neighbor, parent, sibling, something like that. And the thing I put on there that I know some people are going to slightly grumble about is I said, make a video, okay? Make a video that's like interviewing this person. It doesn't have to be fancy. It doesn't have to be long, but just a 1 to 3 minute video of like, hi, you just tried my chatbot. Let me ask you a few questions. And I gave you a list of questions of, did you get the right first impression? Did it tell you what it is and what you do? 2, did the question and answer make sense? You know what to type and you know what you're going to get. And then 3, is there something you would add? So if one of you in the group can't do that, maybe nobody's at home, you don't have a camera, whatever, that's fine. That's why we're in groups. Somebody in the group should be able to make a video with your Chromebook or with the phone or with something else and get that little interview segment, kind of like the stuff we saw in the CodeHS last quarter. The final step is to make changes on your chatbot based on that interview. If they were confused by something, you want to explain it. If they ask for a new feature, you might add it. You don't have to do exactly what they said, but you should, use what they said. If they were confused by some part, you might just delete it, for example, if it's too much trouble. Or you might, delay it till the end when they would understand if they've gone through other steps. So you don't have to do exactly what they say, but you should sort of adjust based on the info you get. And then that's it. I'm going to post the thing for that final step today, and you might be still putting the first draft together, or maybe yours is great and I tell you you can go on to the next step, and then you might find a user, get a video, show it to the group if they're not all there when you make it, make some changes, and then I'll, as we go, I might help you fix an error or point out something that I want you to change. Should be all right. Should be pretty smooth sailing. You don't want to have one day at the end where you try to finish it all. We want to move through gracefully. The grades, if you're a senior, the grades are due on the 21st. So I'm putting the due date as the 21st because we do have a couple seniors in the class. But most of you are not, and if you turn it in a little bit after that, it's all right. Most of you won't turn it in then because I'll already be seeing it along the way. But if you are working on something and I say, yeah, keep going and, finish it on the 24th, that should be fine. So I'm going to put due date 21st, but a lot of you will finish before or after then, and that's okay. We don't have a final. The last step is just the same as all the other steps. It's not worth more. It's not a test. It's just the first draft, the user test, and the third step are all equal in points, and together they add up to one big project. That's it. Like I said, I'm going to post that today, and we will not post anything new except answering questions, making our way downtown. That's it.